Well, hi folks, welcome on board Disneyland Omnibus. This is a one-way trip up Main Street, USA. We're all going to be stopping in front of Sleeping Beauty's castle. Please do remain seated at all times. No dancing, jumping up and down, running around, hanging out over the edge. And we are going to be on our way. Please supervise your children at all times. Well, folks, we're passing by the Disney Showcase as well as the Main Street Hotel. On the left is the Emporium, the largest store here in Disneyland, where you'll find all kinds of gifts, toys, souvenirs, and a few surprises. We're going to be turning back onto Main Street, USA. Right around the corner here is the cinema. They're showing Steamboat Willie, Walt Disney's first talking cartoon. 5 others inside, starring Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Poodle, and Goofy, all in glorious black and white. And the Market House, or general store, you can sit around a pot-milling stove, play a few games of checkers on the Cracker Barrel, Little Side Street, Americana Way, house clockers, and fish fruit, cold drinks. Cross street at the Carnation Cafe, you can sit outside, watch the world go by, have a wonderful lunch. Give the Girl Ice Cream Parlor, largest double dipper ice cream cone in all of Disneyland.
Oh, that's a Carnation.
Penny Arcades, where you can test your skills, talk to Esmeralda. And the Candy Palace Kids, the most important store here in all of Main Street. They're making English coffee today. Peek in the window, watch our candy makers working hard. Across the street is the photo supply, film and batteries for this time of the And right in front of us is Sleeping Beauty's castle, just as pretty today as it was back in July of 1955 when Walt Disney first opened Disneyland. Very little has changed since then. Here in the central hub is where you'll find our tribute statue to Walt and Mickey entitled Partners. Partners was rededicated December 2001 by the cast members here at Disneyland to coincide with what would have been Walt Disney's 100th birthday. Well, folks, we're coming to our stop. My name is Kevin. I want to thank you for riding with me today. Please remain seated till we come to a full stop. Gather up all your personal belongings. Please watch your step as you exit. Folks up on top, you take your time coming down the stairs. Use both handrails. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, folks. Thanks for riding on the Omnibus.